Mina Nkanyiso Ncube ngimele eGwanda Central eBheni Ward 9. Okwanamuhla kuze kufike lesisikhathi angila nsolo lezeki. Angila nsolo le political maneuvering engiyibona eminyakeni yayihlala indlisa. Kodwa okwathi abantu bakhululekile bayenza ilungelo labo lokuvota bekhululekile. Sibonge futhi ama-policies etherapy ngoba kathesi ayisayenzi okudala, ayisahlambalazi, ayisadiscriminate. Kuthi kunjalo futhi bese nsiba le trouble one impela zwi ukuthi ulomunye ogangileyo ulindile kathesi uthi unika abantu besiyavota ama$2 uthulani mo emphikisana layo. He is doing corruption, he is doing bribery of votes, he is buying votes, which is wrong. That's the only anomaly that engificileyo okubi engificileyo khona ukuthi kulomuntu othenga amavoti kuphela nje. Kodwa kahle kahle abantu bakithi bonke bazivotela ngokukhululeka, bazivotela ngokuthula, njalo banikwe lawo malungelo. Siyakubonga konke khonokho. Sibonge futhi lama observer missions akhona ngoba laba akade bevele bethanda ukuchaya kathesi bayesaba. Babe sithi amabhunu abafuni kodwa namhla amabhunu abawesabayo.